Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be cleaning and organizing my kitchen cabinets. I don't know about you guys, but since we've been on the whole quarantine lockdown thing, I've been doing a lot of organizing and cleaning, so that's what we're going to do in today's video. So underneath here I keep some decorative dish towels, which are in a container, and I also keep like extra silverware and stuff like that, like plasticware, in a pink container. Keep my kids' crayons and art projects type stuff in a container. And then some baby wipes I keep down there as well. And then all my dish towels that I use, I keep folded underneath there as well. And then I had like a heart-shaped pan and some paper plates that needed to go somewhere else. The other side is where I put the trash can, so it's just trash bags and then like a nice scent thing underneath it to keep it smelling good. Underneath this cabinet we have the pots, the pans, and like crock pots and stuff like that. This is a very deep cabinet, which I don't really like because it's hard to get the stuff. But it's really deep, so I'm having to like dig back there to get everything. So this is another very deep cabinet. I'm just going to take some of the things that we use a lot out and wipe off the surfaces, and then I will show you guys how it turns out. So I have these bowls and stuff that can get put with my other bowls that I can get out from underneath there. And then there's a fruit basket that we don't use anymore, and some Tupperware that needs to go with the other Tupperware. And this is what the cabinet looks like. Just some little Tupperware containers that we use, some Ninja cups and other storage type things. And underneath this cabinet is where we keep our protein powders. We keep a blender in there. And then all of our Tupperware is on the top shelf. So I'm just gonna go through and wipe this down and kind of organize the Tupperware. We also put our air fryer down here as well whenever we're not using it. So underneath this cabinet, there's some different cookers. There's a rice cooker, there's a waffle maker, a George Foreman, and then there's also like a dehydrator. So I'm taking all these out. I'm gonna clean the inside of the cabinets, and then I'm also going to clean the appliances because they have dust and stuff on them as well. So that's what I'm gonna do here. Here for the drawers, I'm gonna take everything out. I'm gonna vacuum the inside of the drawer and wipe it down, and then we're gonna put everything back. In this drawer, I did not put back the smaller silverware, like baby silverware, because my kids no longer need that, so I put that away. So I keep this pretty clean anyway. All that's in it is my like nice glasses that I use, and then my coffee cups and stuff like that. So there's no need to organize that because that's already clean. Same thing with this cabinet. It's just lunch boxes, plates, and bowls. So no need to declutter or clean that either. Junk drawer. And it's got a whole bunch of different stuff in it. There's some chalk for a chalkboard wall, some markers and pens. I've got lighters and matches for our candles. There's some labels in there, straps, clips, different stuff in here that we need, but it's kind of all together in the junk drawer, so we're going to try to organize this. In this drawer, I have just all my like saran wrap, aluminum foil, my plastic baggies, and stuff like that. This is where all of our other cups go, and I'm just getting rid of some cups that are either broke, or especially like my little girl's sippy cups. I'm getting rid of some of those that are broke, and then the bottles, which we don't use no more, I'm getting rid of those. And just kind of organizing everything to make a little bit more room.